Um, Mag sulfur, you can't get Flora Nectar, won't let it in the UK. Yeah, listen, just go get. There's what sugar product can you get? What mag? You put in some mag sulfur. Oh, bud candy. No, wait. That's mag sulfur. Um. Oh, Pinky. I was wondering what you guys were talking about earlier. Pinky. That guy was funny. I like that guy. Um. BioBiz. Yeah, I'm sure that. Listen. Oh, listen. We're just gonna go. Marijuana, nutrients, sugar. Let's just type in sugar. Oh, yeah. Technoflora has. Fuck. I haven't had anybody ask me for Technoflora in a decade. Uh, there's Bud Candy. Big Daddy. Bud Daddy, Big Daddy. Oh, duh. Sugar Daddy. Duh, how fucking clever. Kelp me, kelp you. Remo Nature's Candy. For certain, buying your paramedic book and extra for friends. Possible next book. The Western Man Boy. Half your customers are stepbrothers. Your insights would be genius. Oh yeah, when you guys go to my website, thegrowboss.com, you can scroll right down here. And I'm a paramedic nurse. And if you want to read my stories of being a paramedic, dude, I was a paramedic. I was a fucker paramedic, just like I'm a fucker grow boss. I'm always there if you need me. Everything stops if you need me. But if you're just going to be dumb, then I get to make fun of you if you tax me, I get to make fun of you while I answer your questions. Yeah, DNF, exactly right. Hey, Robert, don't breathe. Don't even catch my gaze. I'll unmod you again. I'm never buying Fox Farm just for naming something kelp me, kelp you. And it's not their fault. It's the growers. You guys are the dumbest target demographic of every product on the planet. There is no dumber demographic than growers. Growboss Megameter, Canada. I don't think the Lone Wolf won't let me ship them to Canada. Robert, you've been a mod and not a mod. How do you feel about using molasses sugar? I would never use it. I would just add Flora Nectar. I don't use anything that I have to deal with or that's going to get sticky on me or that's going to stain my clothes like GH Micro. I don't use anything like that because all the bud's the fucking same. So why would I use anything that makes me deal with it? The object here is to do less, not more. So I don't use anything like, could you imagine pouring something out and you're like, oh my God, it's slow as fucking molasses. It won't pour it. And then you get and then you got to stir it up. What are you going to circle the top with it? I don't use anything like that. Nothing like that. It's not worth it. No, Botanicare Sweet is not sugar. And if it is sugar, they're lying to you. And I proved this on the show before. When you look at the label for Botanicare Sweet, it says mag sulfur, there's no sugar listed. When you look at GH Flora Nectar, it lists both cane and molasses sugar in addition to mag sulfur. Now the thing is, both are owned by Scott's Miracle-Gro. They're both owned by Scott's Miracle-Gro. So maybe they are different, maybe they're not. I mean, they're all the same shit. So I think it's a good idea to add sugar. I can't imagine just adding sugar at the end because the sugar feeds the microbes. But again, microbes only live for 2 weeks. and they don't reproduce at colony supporting rates. So if you don't inoculate your roots every 2 weeks, you're missing out on all the benefits. And it's not just that they inoculate the roots every 2 weeks. When the microbe dies, the root eats the microbe. They said it is a sugar product. Listen, you can call Botanicare and ask them how to grow and they'll tell you some shit. But it's not on the label. It's not on the label. Missed a watering by almost 24 hours. How bad do you think I've killed them? I don't know what your buffer is. What happens if you're overwatering and you miss the water by 24 hours? It's probably better for your plants. That's why I tell you guys, you want more gray area, less black and white. The smaller the black and white, the larger the gray area in between, the safer the plant. Okay, but I'm just saying, they can tell you anything they want. They're all the best. They all get you 20% more. They all get you, weight. They all get you 25% more trikes. They all get you 25% more aroma. That's why they put the smell in it, right? I mean, do you think that Botanicare has a factory where they take Big League Chew bubblegum, mix it up with some vinegar, boil it, and then pour it into the grape bottle? Do you think that's how they do it? Do you think they do it because the plant wants it? It's not listed on the label. That's my point exactly. And if you go and you look at Bud Factor X, you'll find that Bud Factor X lists only mag as a product. In all of the industry, in every bottle of nutrient I have ever seen that is a mag sulfur product, I have picked it up and looked at it. And Bud Factor X or Bud Igniter or one of those fuckers, there's so many bottles of that crap, one of those fuckers says mag only. So how come they're the only product with mag? Now you guys all talk about nitrogen. Oh, it needs some good nitrogen, Grow Boss. My nutrient company has the best nitrogen, Grow Boss. I'm just saying Bud Igniter is the only one I've ever seen that lists mag, no sulfur, no sugar.